Jonathan Lee Riches investigates. Alec Baldwin storms out of the courtroom today in a shocking display of defiance after the prosecution in the case, Kari Morrissey, stated on the record that Alec Baldwin was lying about pulling the trigger. He just abruptly walked out of the courtroom and his lawyer had to go get him. I'm going to share with you a clip, two clips here, and show you. I'm going to share one describing what happened and another one showing you it when it happened. This is interesting stuff. Check it out.
Drama in court as Alec Baldwin suddenly storms out. His attorney looked stunned when he realized Baldwin was out of there. It happened as the prosecutor was reading a series of embarrassing remarks Baldwin made to a detective. Baldwin was rocking back and forth in his chair and looked annoyed. Then, without warning, he got up and just left.
Can we approach briefly?
Sure.
He returned a few minutes later after cooling off. The jury was out at the time and didn't see the incident.
It puts in context the part at the top of 19, and this goes directly to Mr. Baldwin's motivation to lie about pulling the trigger of the gun. I'm 63 years old with 6 kids. I can't rely on luck anymore. He's talking about his career and that he can't rely on luck anymore. This goes exactly to his motivation not to tell the truth. Sorry.
Can we approach briefly?
Sure.
So we are covering the Alec Baldwin trial, and me and Magnolia were watching when this happened. We were in shock and awe. We're like, where in the world is he going? Why would he just leave? Because it's not like Alec had to go use the bathroom. He was triggered, folks, and it looks like he was agitated, mad, and just got up and stormed off. And he came back with a cup of coffee in his hand, but that's almost contempt of court type behavior. A defendant can't just get up and leave. So I was shocked that he didn't get reprimanded for it or the judge said anything about it. But interesting, while this was going on, this was in a motion hearing where the jury didn't see it. Because imagine if the jury saw him do that. Does he think he's entitled? Do you think that he thinks he could get away with doing it because he's a celebrity, just like how he pulled the trigger and did this crime that he's charged of, manslaughter? Very, very interesting. Well, we will be at the trial next week. Me and Magnolia investigates, and we'll see what happens, and we'll see if he storms out of the courtroom again. Also noting that, you know, when he arrives and leaves the courthouse each day, he hasn't said anything to anyone, no reporters, because I was expecting him, based off his track record of, you know, lashing out at people, I was expecting him to lash out at some cameras or people. I don't see hecklers or protesters out there. So it seems like he is on his best behavior, leaving and arriving at court. But this was interesting in this moment. Let me know what you think on why Alec Baldwin did this. We are covering the Alec Baldwin case. Subscribe to my channel, like, hit the notification button. Is Alec Baldwin guilty or not guilty? Let me know what you think. I'll be reading your comments. We will talk soon. JLR Investigates. See you soon.